Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this graphic and want to know how to draw it. They said the colors don't really matter. I don't really understand why this is lighter blue or different blue than this, but that's beside the point. So I've already kind of laid it out here, how I would do it. So I'm just going to take a rectangle, not holding down the control button, so it's a rectangle. And I'm going to rotate that rectangle 45 degrees. And that gives me that right there. Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it. And then take your pick tool and grab that node right there and have it snap to there. And then all we have to do is just make another one and moving it up to this line by holding down that button. So all we need to do now is take away one line. Now, as always, I love working with a smart fill tool. So I'm 12, almost 13 inches. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 15, which is good. And I'm going to fill that in with orange. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to nudge it out of the way using my left arrow key. Got a little glitch or something right there. So we have that design, but we need to, and the reason I did it, so these would be complete sections of themselves. And then I'm going to take my shape tool. I'm going to select both those nodes and I'm going to round them off. I could have probably rounded them off beforehand, but I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners. And I'm going to, it's only letting me do one at a time. So let me do just one at a time. I might not be able to do them both. Yep, it's too large. So let me back up here and change my, let's go 1.25. Let's back up here completely. Grab that, round it off. Round it off. It actually needs to be a little bit more rounder. I don't know why it's not letting me 1.3. And let's see if we can't do them both, or it's already doing that one. So we'll just hit apply. So there's our magical number. It's close enough. These two nodes should actually be touching. Now we're going to look kind of at the picture. So this one needs to be rounded. And since you've already got it, the amount, this part is easy. Just take and round off those corners. Now this one, let's see if we can do both of them at the same time. And we can. Then we'll do this one. I don't understand. I'm having trouble trying to figure out what this represents. I guess I should have asked. But now that we have that, let's do these. Let's go ahead and use a blue. I don't think I'm not going to have that blue. But see, so we have three places. So we're going to take the first one, grab the interactive fill tool and just come down. Put a little darkness. I'm thinking this is how they did it. So I'm a little bit longer than theirs, but they get the idea. And then this one has two. I call it double. Put black on each end. It's going to be way too overpowering. So let's stretch it out a little bit. And now let's put that blue like that. Now, if I could have probably grabbed their blues. And then let's just do one more. Now this, see how this is angled at this angle? You can change that when you interact the fill tool. We'll put a little darkness right here. And then you can change this bar. Well, matter of fact, you could go this way. Move this actually down. Move this out. Because that's going to kind of give you the direction. A little bit over, a little bit too much. And there you have it. I think it's pretty close. I'm hoping when I send this to them that they'll tell me what this is for. Now, if you wanted to use those, you know what? I've never tried to transfer colors. I don't want to transfer. I want to go to the eyedropper, and I'm going to grab that color. Oh, look. So it did work. And so just grab that. We still got that. No, we don't have that color. I thought it would have saved it. Get the eyedropper. Let's just use that same blue on both of them. See, I would think it would save that. But going right here, it's the same thing as a Smart Fill tool. It's just changing the color. There we go. One more. And grab this, slide out. Grab the, there we go. That's pretty close. Whoop. That's pretty close to the original. Maybe one other little thing I would do, maybe move these out a little bit. And this, to me, these, well, mine kind of does too. I'm using the same color, but these look more blue in the center. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.